Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation, UI Blender. The UI Blender is nothing but it is a graphical user interface. The Blender's graphical user interface is designed to be flexible and powerful, catering to various workflow. The GUI is composed of multiple editors, each serving a specific purpose, such as modeling, animation, texturing, and rendering. These editors can be customized and rearranged to the site user needs. The graphical user interface GUI is the arrangement of windows and panel that allows the operator to interact with the computer program. The key components of GUI. Header located at the top of each editor. The header provides menus and options specific to that editor. Sidebar. The sidebar contains tool settings and properties relevant to the current context. Status bar located at the bottom. It shows helpful information like tool tips and current operation status. The next is the editor types. Blender includes editors like a 3D viewport shader editor, timeline, and UV editor among others. This is a full screen of Blender screen. In this you can see the header file, header bar, slide bar, status bar, and in the side we can see the tools and properties windows. This option is used to select the cube selected orange outline. We can click options like delete, splash screen, expansion button, tools panel, etc. This is a GUI interface of the Blender. The next is the customization. In this customization, we can see the splitting and merging, changing editor types, workspace. The splitting and merging. User can split any editor into multiple sessions or merge them back. Changing editor types. Each editor can be changed to another type using the editor type selected in the header. Workspace. Blender comes with predefined workspace tailored for specific tasks such as layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, and more. Users can create custom workspace as well as. In this screen, we can see the menu bar, the file, edit, render, window, help. Each and every menu bar contains a particular operation or action which performed for a beautiful design and creating a different objects using the animation screen. The Blender screen. The Blender screen is also known as the screen layout. It is the arrangements of the different editors within the Blender interface. The screen layout can be tailored to fit different stages of a project or specific task. Key elements. 3D viewport, the main area where 3D modeling and scene interaction take place. It supports multiple view modes, wireframe, solid, material preview, and rendered. Outliner, a hierarchical view of all objects in the screen, allowing for easy selection and organization. Properties editor provides detailed settings and properties for the active object, scene, world, and more. Timeline used for animation, showing keyframes and allowing for playback control. In this window we can see the outliner window, properties window, timeline window, 3D view, and information window. The timeline windows mostly depends upon the time according to the animation for moving or splitting or merging. The 3D window is a full screen of the Blender input and output displayed. Managing screen layout. This In this section we having the switching layout and custom layouts. Switching layouts, user can switch between the different screen layout using the drop down menu at the top of the interface. Custom layouts can be saved and named for easy access later. This is useful for switching between different stages of the project. Thank you. In this Blender screen, the screen is also known as a screen layout, which is arranged of different editors within the Blender interface. The screen layout can be tailored to fit different stages of the project or specific task. Key elements: 3D viewport, the main area where 3D modeling and scene interaction take place. It supports the multiple view modes: wireframe, solid material preview, and rendered. Outliner, a hierarchical view of all objects in the scene, allowing for easy selection and organization. Properties editor window. This provides the detailed settings and properties for the active objects, scene, world, or more. Timeline, used for animation showing keyframes, allowing for the playback control. Managing layout, switching layout, and custom layouts. User can switch between the different scenes layout using the drop down menu at the top of the interface. Customs layout, the layout can be saved and named for easy access later. This is useful for switching between the different stages of a project. Thank you.